All right, so we just received this Auvon 2-pack backlit nightlight, and it has a backlit design. It has stepless dimming and light sensing, motion sensing. Here's this side. Tells a little bit about the energy information, lifespan. It's got a warranty. All right, let's get her open, see what it looks like, if we can get it open. These are always tricky. Gotta push it through. Oh, okay, there we go. We'll leave that right there. And here we go. Okay, so we do get some directions. You have to read those. And here they are. Looks pretty simple. On the side you've got auto, off, and night. And I think you can raise it and lower it here. And all we have to do is plug them in. We've got two of them. And they look pretty simple, really. I don't think there's anything else in the box. Let's look. Oh, that's it. All right, so that's our two dimmer lights. We'll plug them in and check them out. How's that sound? And see what we think. All right, so we kind of need a dark room to do it. So you can see the lights going on. If you look on these, it does have the name of the company here. And it's got your, I'm going to turn it right to light, right off the bat. And then we'll just go ahead and plug it in and see what happens. Yeah, bam. So that's what it looks like, right? So let's see. All right, so I turned off my flash on my camera. And so you can see, here we are. Now we can turn it up and down, I think. You can make it, make it brighter. You can bring it down. Right? You can make it auto. So now it's on auto. You put it in the center, it goes off, right? Let's put it on auto. Now, it should turn off in a second. And when I walk by it, it goes back on. All right, so this works two ways. It has motion sensing and it also has light sensing. So when I turn on the light in the room, you'll see that it turns off. When I turn the light off, it turns back on. And then it goes off. And that's basically how it works, I guess. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I show you stuff like this. Peace out.